Hi friends, welcome. Today I will teach you how I make my plates. These plates will keep you satiated and at the same time it will help you to burn the belly fat. So only trick is we have to keep our insulin spikes low. So let's get started. My first thing what I do is I add protein. You can use any protein you want. Today I have made chicken meatballs Thai style with some coconut cream and green Thai curry sauce. I will add around 4, which will be 25 to 30 grams of protein. You can add 4 or 5 depending on how much you want to eat, but around 25 to 30 grams of protein in each meal is good. I have added some peas, so let's put some peas and some of that coconut cream around, and I will put one red pepper here on the top. I'm not going to eat it, it's just for decoration. And then once you have protein, so add any protein. You can add shrimp, tofu, cheese or cottage cheese, or steak, whatever you feel like. So eat the protein. And then I don't, my carb sources are only from low carb vegetables and berries. So I have radishes today. Look how beautiful these are, red color radishes. They look so pretty and they add color to my plate. And I will add also some cucumbers. Maybe let me put them in the middle to make my plate pretty. So here we go, some cucumbers, and I will add berries. I like to eat fruit, but as you know, most of the fruits they have are high in sugar, so I eat low sugar fruits like berries because they won't spike my insulin, and the belly fat will keep on burning. So here we go, my berries, and I will add a cherry tomato in the middle. And now this meal should be sufficient by itself, but I like to eat some healthy fat in my each meal. It keeps me full and I don't get the cravings. I don't feel like eating sugar and all those cravings. It keeps your insulin levels stable, and once you're full you don't crave. So what I'm going to do, I will add some little amount of avocado. Here we go. And that is a nice healthy meal and healthy plate by itself. And eat plates like these, keep the carb low, and you will start losing fat right away. Don't lose your muscle mass, lose your fat by eating low carb meals. Thank you for watching, and cheers to your health.